Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essential inputs: PDF, slides, notes, and a few URLs. Once done, name and folder them consistently so Notebooklm can form coherent context. Upload a small batch, 1 to 3 files, so you can verify parsing and metadata quickly. Make sure to include a short README or one-page summary file describing scope and goals. This guides the model. After upload, open the preview to confirm correct text extraction and immediate usability. You now interact. Start with a broad question to establish context, then narrow to specifics. Once you see an answer, ask clarifying follow-ups or request step-by-step explanations to expose gaps. Make sure to correct any mistakes immediately by quoting the snippet and asking for revision. This reduces hallucination. Use highlights and add comments to important passages so Notebooklm retains focus. Also test alternate phrasings and ask for pros/cons to compare recommendations before moving forward. You finish by converting insights into actions. Export concise summaries, create a checklist, and assign dates or owners. Once done, make sure to save an editable export, Markdown, or Google Doc for collaboration. If output is inconsistent, first rerun the same query with explicit scope, then re-upload the source file if parsing errors persist. Label the problematic section and ask for targeted reanalysis. Finally, keep a short log of prompts and fixes so you can reproduce the successful sequence next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.